Hi. So the next discussion is classification of context free grammar. Okay. This classification is going to have in two ways. So that is based on number of derivation trees, that is what we already seen, and based on number of strings actually. Okay. So derivation trees, basing on the number of derivation trees, first classification. In that again we are going to have ambiguous grammars, unambiguous grammars. Okay. So what is ambiguous, what is unambiguous, we will see separately. Then next, second classification, if you see, based on number of strings actually. So basing on number of strings, again we are going to have two types of grammars. So that is recursive grammars and non-recursive grammars. Okay. So basing on this also you can define what is recursive grammar, what is non-recursive grammar. You can decide actually what type of grammars these are. Or basing on these two also you can find out what is ambiguous grammar, what is unambiguous grammars. So let us see these two classifications separately very clearly. So let us see the first classification, that is based on number of derivation trees.